Hi, today I'd like to go over some of the features of Robotalker.com's texting. You can now respond to text messages that are sent in reply to your bulk SMS or text message broadcast. It's quite common if you send out text messages to individuals in a group that some people will respond, and you can now respond in the portal to these text messages. So if this person texted me, I show the history, and I can respond to that one. They're ordered chronologically, so the most recent one shows at the top. I can respond to this one too. And I just click send message like this, and you can see down here it's updated and it sent out the response to their message. You can see everything in the history, up to 1,000 characters in length. This is our management portal. You can also send an individual text to an individual person. So I could search for an individual in here, this and that, and I could send this and that a text message just like that. So individual text messages can be sent to your contacts. Search for them, either a number or name, and respond to that. You can also delete, update, change groups that these people were in, like that. That's our user management portal for contacts, and I just showed you how to respond to a text message. You can also respond in email, because every time that you receive a inbound text message, you don't have to keep coming back to the portal and checking it for new messages, because you'll receive a text message, you receive a email that says that you have a new response to one of your broadcasts. It gives the name of the broadcast. It also supplies what they responded with, the phone number and the name, city, zip code, and state. You can reply directly in the message, same as before, shows the history, and just press this and it sends. This works on iPhones, Androids, all types of phones, and all types of devices, iPads. It's very straightforward to use. You can also, we have an autoresponder. All of your text messages can come from one particular number. You can either get a free one, a 9541, select one, or you can get one with your own private area code too. That's at a cost of $25 per year for a private number. There's videos on this. This is the autoresponder, and it's a nice feature if you have incoming calls and incoming text messages. Also, if you have a private number, there's a downside in that you're limited to only 360 outgoing text messages per hour, whereas if you just don't have one and leave the default, you're up to about 40,000 deliveries per hour. So substantial difference there. Also, we have statistics on inbound, outbound. There's another video on that too. Different types of phone calls and text messages. They're all showed here in that. Any other questions? Give us a call. Robotalker.com. We're always happy to help. Thank you so much.